Hey everybody, this is Deepen with the Apartment Dealer, and today we're standing in front of the second of the three of the properties in the portfolio that we just listed in the city of Hemet. Now, as you can see, this is a single-story construction property, and let's go through the details. Now, we have 3 units here. Of those 3 units, the unit mix consists of 1 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and 1 studio unit. Tenants enjoy plenty of on-site parking as well as individual private backyards for leisure. Now, this property has undergone a tremendous amount of capital improvement as of recent. First, we start off with new copper plumbing, new electrical panels and wiring throughout, updated interiors from kitchens, floorings, you name it. Now, this property is sitting currently at an 8.93 GRM and a 7.92% cap rate. Now, if you're an investor looking for a strong, stable cash flowing property here in the city of Hemet with strong rents, contact myself. Again, this is Deepen Shaw with the Apartment Dealer. We'd be happy to share more information on it.